everybody, welcome to Snack Attack. This week we're all about blueberry muffins in a mug because it's hot and we want to use our microwaves, and hello, it's Michigan and blueberries. So let's take this amazing combination and put it together with just a few ingredients in about 2 minutes in the microwave. For today, you're going to need a 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 cup of milk at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 cup of fresh blueberries, and a 14-ounce mug to cook everything in and something to stir it with. We're going to begin by mixing all of our dry ingredients into the mug. So we will take our flour, our sugar, and our baking powder and whisk them all together until they are combined with no streaks of any of the ingredients remaining. Whoops! Also, try not to be as klutzy. Once all of the dry ingredients are thoroughly combined, it's now time to blend in the remaining wet ingredients. So let's start with the milk. And the butter. Make sure it's not hot. And then finally the vanilla. You're going to want to combine all of the ingredients together until your batter is smooth. Once everything looks nice and incorporated, it's time to add the blueberries. Go ahead and pour them into your mug, and then gently push them into the batter, but making sure that they're not sinking all the way to the bottom. All right, you're almost done. Now go ahead and take your mug, place it in the microwave, and set the temperature for 1.5 to 2 minutes on high. Once your blueberry muffin is cooked to your liking, allow it to cool. All right, now's the big moment. We've been so patient waiting for our blueberry muffin to cool, and now it's time to taste it. I'm so excited. It looks amazing, just like a blueberry muffin. This is awesome. This is the amazing blueberry muffin right in a mug. This is the best breakfast. Highly recommend making this. Have fun, enjoy. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we will see you next week.